Hello guys, so we have the Xiaomi car washing gun 2. I've got this from China. That's how it looks. Let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? So got it from Temu. You can also get it from Alibaba as well. Sorry, it's taking a bit of time here. Okay, that's all done. And what do you have here? So I think let's get this out of the way. I think this is the water bottle. Yeah, and this seems to be the water hose. This probably goes into the bucket, and this one attaches to the bucket, and this goes into the gun itself. This seems to be the head of the gun. So different settings here. Spray, this one. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the gun itself. Feels amazing. Nice weight to it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna tear it from here. And we have it. Xiaomi. Oh, it's still charged. Nice. The charging bit here. Type C. It's got a nice weight to it. The standalone. Okay. Says lock this side. Okay. Has the media badge on here. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and and lock it. Yes, that's done. So we have locked this, and I think the bottle is, it will have the soap element, or the car washing fluid is got attached to this pretty well, and then we have the hose itself. Sorry for this slow and longish video. That's how it attaches pretty well, and it's quite a long cord. I think it's over 10 feet from what I know. It's got a filter at the end of it. Okay. I think it's different water bits to this. Thank you for watching.